Hello everybody, Lurgs here, welcome to my channel, and today it's a holiday travel adapter top tip. If you happen to live in the UK and you're going abroad on holiday, well, why wouldn't you? Look at the weather we get. This is a really handy tip to save you some money. You only need to buy one travel adapter, and whatever you do, make sure you buy one of these before you get to the airport, because the airport charges a fortune for these, and I've actually seen these travel adapters in the pound shop. This travel adapter tip works for all travel adapters, whether it's a flat pin travel adapter for USA or a round pin travel adapter for Europe and elsewhere. Now, when you're packing to go on holiday, pack one travel adapter and then take with you an extension block. Or you can take one of these which has got 3 on it, or you can take a 4-way extension lead if you've got lots of things to plug in. And then when you get to your destination on holiday and check into your room, you take your one travel adapter, plug this into the wall socket. This is actually in Morocco, so the travel adapter plug is upside down. Then take your extension block, plug that into the travel adapter, and then all the gadgets that you've got, iPhones, hair dryers, any shaving devices, you can just plug those into the extension blocks. You only need one travel adapter. Now, a lot of rooms abroad won't have many plug sockets, so this is a really good idea. You only need one travel adapter to charge up all your gadgets. Obviously be safe and don't overload the extension with too many high-powered items. I hope you have a fantastic holiday and that travel adapter tip was useful to you. But all good things must come to an end, and I'm on the plane home. Whilst I'm coming into land, I've just put some other useful holiday tip videos around the edge of the screen. Let me know in the comments where your favourite holiday destination is. And the first thing I'll be doing when I land and get home is having a lovely cup of tea.